In the first chapter, you will be learning some of the basic principles of science and how to recognize something as science. Given a topic, you will need to be able to determine if it is science or pseudoscience. You will learn several different questions to ask to try to make this determination. You will need to be able to describe how science has changed throughout history. You will specifically look at how ancient Greeks viewed science, what alchemists did and did not do, and what changed as we went through the scientific revolution. You'll be able to explain the scientific method in broader terms than you likely currently do. The primary resource for this topic will be How Science Works, which is a flowchart from UC Berkeley. You'll also be able to tell the difference between prediction, hypothesis, scientific law, and scientific theory. You will also need to know the difference between everyday use of these terms versus the scientific use of them. You will use a document called Types of Scientific Evidence to recognize the different types of scientific studies and understand their hierarchy and what level of confidence you should have in their results. Lastly, you will put most of this together along with a document called Spotting Bad Science to determine if a science-related news article is credible or not.